Building a website for your washer and dryer repair service does not need to be expensive, and it certainly doesn't need to be difficult either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSite platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your business. If you haven't heard of MultiSite before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, washer and dryer repair service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell MultiSite a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. Let's click on continue and let MultiSite generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. Great, look at that. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSite is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, very professional. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. And they're also completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 changes to the content that was pre-written for you to make it a little bit more personalized. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You really don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, physical location, if you don't have one, leave it off. But if you do pop it in over here, customers can easily click on that address when your website's live, be taken to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a logo for your business, go ahead and upload it in the next section. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can make amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that we pre-selected for you as well to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images, search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, or connect your Instagram accounts and automatically pull in all those images if you have an account. Under update action, we can change those buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they link to, even upload a PDF file. If you offer like a calendar booking for your services, you can paste the URL over here so your customers can click on that button and easily book a service. Under each update content is where you can make it a little bit more personalized, write a little bit more details about your business, how it came to be, and how you got into the industry. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You will get notified by your registered email you have a new lead. Also keep track of all your leads you've ever received in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can connect it. Click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. Very important to have a domain to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. If you don't have a domain, you've recently launched your business, you can click on that button as well and actually purchase a custom domain from the MultiSite platform directly. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business Marti success.